So the plan is to use my wee Suzuki Jimny as a mini camper van for the weekend. Jan, my wife, has agreed to come with me and we're going to try it, and two of us sleeping inside it, which looking at it now seems completely crazy. But I've seen it on YouTube, it's doable, and you can fold down the seats and turn it into one flat bed sleeping area. I'll show you what I mean just with these seats at the moment. So you can pop the headrests out, you just pop them out and put them in the foot well, and the same at the rear here. I'll just pop that out as well. It's actually quite long, that one. Dump that out of the way, then just pull the back of the seat cover, pop the seat down, and that goes flat. And then lastly, you just fold the seat down, slide the whole thing forward, and I don't know if you can see that, hopefully you can, spin you around. It just lies flush with the rest of the car, so you've now got a bed area long enough for a couple of people, or a couple of short people. So you can see there's a slight dip here, the rest of it is flat, looking back through there, right to the tailgate. This bit here drops a wee bit, but what I'll do is we'll just pad that out, so you just put your clothes or whatever underneath, and we should end up with a nice flat bed. Jan will be on this end because of the shorter side steering wheel, so that's a wee bit of a bind, but she's short enough, and I will take the nice luxurious long side. So let's get back. Well, I'm not short of stuff to try this weekend. We have some brand new water bottles from Super Sparrow. Nice quality actually. New waterproof and warm gear from TBM POY. And I've also got an inflatable mattress has arrived from AeroGogo. Oh, there we go. Yep, slowly going up. I'm loving the fact there's no effort. There's actually a lot of volume when you watch this fill up. I would hate to have done this manually. Guys, how you doing? Hello. Love that. Grapefruit. In case you hadn't guessed, we are camper vanning it tonight for the first time in the Suzuki Jimny. So it'll be micro camper vanning. It's going to be interesting. Here goes. In for a penny, in for a pound. Morning. Well, good morning everybody. We survived our first night of micro camper vanning. Pretty bad sleep, to be honest. It wasn't that the car wasn't that comfortable, it was just the two of us keeping each other awake and just kind of unfamiliar with it. Anyway, it worked quite well. I'll show you my wee Tyvek blinds that I made. They're very low tech, but they actually worked really well. So I had some very soft Tyvek that I bought for prototype tents I was making, and I had some left over, so I've just cut them to the shape of the windows. And then the really high-tech version for connecting here is blue tack. So we just put blue tack on the frame of the car where we needed it. You can see the one on the windscreen at the front there, and the carnage that's left here just now. So we're just drying stuff out. Ventilation's a bit of an issue in a car this small with two of you. That was probably the most difficult one to make, the windscreen one. So I just cut out for the wee radar bit at the top. But it worked fine, absolutely okay. Storage is a wee bit of a challenge during the night, but we managed to tuck. We get a lot of stuff in under there, under the seats, and then at the front of the footwell you can get more stuff in there. That's my drone sitting in there just now. And then I've just pulled all this junk out here. As you can see, there's a lot of drying to be done with the condensation last night. So we'll get fresh milk being refrigerated in our Super Sparrow bottles, which were supplied to me. Thanks for them. And I've got the other one over there. It's got the red wine in it, which I don't know how much is left of that after last night. See if the milk's still cold after 24 hours. And baking in the sun for the last 3 hours. Fresh brambles just off the bushes. This flex tail pump is getting used for everything other than blowing up pads and boats. We've just been using it to dry out the radar on the front of the car, which is still pretty wet. It's still got a bit to go yet. But we've been blasting that from the condensation of sleeping last night. It's left this disabled. But anyway, it's been a nice wee overnight. It's been an interesting test at micro camper vanning. And we're going to head home now, get a shower as you can probably see, and a good night's sleep. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you again out there soon.